Hey folks, today we're going to talk about senile and solar comedones. They are black and whiteheads that affect the elderly. They're caused by sun exposure, and they seem to be complicated by years of smoking. Most websites seem to use the terms interchangeably. So my question to you is, are senile and solar comedones the same thing? They're both seen on the elderly. They seem to result in leathery skin. They have a very similar appearance, and they cause blackheads and whiteheads. Comment below, are senile and solar comedones the same thing? Also, check out this amazing Comedone extraction kit. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, I'd like you to check out our salon quality blackhead mask. It's designed with your sensitive skin in mind. Mr. Blackhead's Bio Aqua Mask is made to hit that sensitive T-zone, unclog your pores, and make your skin feel young again. We'll leave a link in the description below, or check out our shortcut for Amazon at m7amazon.com. You're going to absolutely love it.